Good day, everyone. Good day, my followers, and good day, my viewers. I am teacher Patrick. So today I'll be taking you physics, and today's topic is mirror. Sit down, relax, and watch. An object is placed 10 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 5 cm. What is the position and nature of the image formed? A. 30 cm and virtual. B. 6 cm and real. C. 6 cm and virtual. D. 30 cm and real. Okay, solution. Okay, an object is placed 10 cm in front of a concave mirror. So you represent the object 10 cm of a concave mirror. Take note, it's a concave mirror. So a concave mirror of focal length, which is always positive, plus focal length is given as 5 cm. What is the position and nature of the image formed? So what we're looking for is, we're looking for what? The image, which is our V. So when you recall, mirror formula is always given as 1 over F is equal to 1 over U plus 1 over V. Take notes. U is the object distance. V is the image distance. F is our focal length. Okay? Now, let's substitute inside this particular formula. 1 over, what's our F? 5. 1 over, what's our U? 10. Plus 1 over V. So we're going to make this our V subject formula. So what are we supposed to do? We're going to shift this one to this side. So we're having 1 over F minus 1 over 10 is equal to 1 over V. Yeah, take LCM of 5 and 10. When you take the LCM of 5 and 10, you're going to have 10. 10 divided by 5, you have 2. 2 times 1, 2. 10 divided by 10, you have what? 1. 1 times 1, 1.